In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of ClickUp account. We'll walk through the process from opening the site to signing out, so you can confidently end your session and keep your work secure. Start by opening your web browser and going to clickup.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the sign-in options on the page. For this walkthrough, choose Continue with Google. This is a common way to sign in, and it works the same whether you're on a laptop or desktop. If you use a different method normally, that's fine. Today, we're just using Google to demonstrate. When Google's account chooser appears, click your Google account to proceed. You might briefly see a loading screen here. That's normal while ClickUp verifies your credentials and opens your workspace. While it loads, a quick note, logging out regularly is a good habit, especially on shared or public computers. It ensures your tasks, documents, and messages stay private and prevents others from making changes under your account. Once you're in ClickUp, locate Workspace. You'll typically find this in the main navigation or sidebar. Click Workspace to access the area that controls your organization level settings. This ensures you're in the right place to reach the controls you need. From there, click Settings. This opens your Workspace settings page where general preferences, team details, and account-related controls live. We're interested in the option to end your session, so stay on the General Settings page. Now scroll to the bottom of the settings page where you'll find the Log Out option. It's often placed near the footer, so it's out of the way during daily work. Click Log Out to end your current session. After you confirm, ClickUp will sign you out and return you to the sign-in screen. That's it. You're fully logged out of your account in this browser. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't immediately see the Log Out button, make sure you're in the correct workspace settings and you've scrolled all the way to the bottom. If your browser zoom is very high, reduce it slightly so the footer area becomes visible. And if you manage multiple workspaces, confirm you're logging out of the one you're currently using so you end the right session. To recap, go to clickup.com, continue with Google, select your account, open Workspace, go to Settings, then scroll down and click Log Out. Follow these steps anytime you want to securely end your ClickUp session.